What's up, guys? Welcome to Maths with Gustin. I am Gustin Mapala. Let's have a look at calculus grade 12 example when it comes to derivation from first principles. We already have an example here. This is just a formula. Is there on your formula sheet? Please make sure that, guys, you understand this formula, where to substitute and where not to substitute. The example for today is a g of x is equals to 3x squared plus 4x. Okay, so now let's have a look at this one and make sure that we substitute the right things in the right area. All right. Okay, great stuff, guys. Now let's have a look at this one. Here we're gonna make sure that we substitute everything. Where there's 3 is 3. Where there's x, we are going to put x plus h in terms of the equation here. Okay, squared, and therefore you're gonna have plus which is 4. Where there's x, we're gonna put x plus h, and therefore you're gonna say minus the whole equation here is f of x, but we know that we're dealing with g of x for now. Okay, there you go, in brackets 3x squared plus 4x. Right, great stuff. Close bracket all over h. Then when you come here, we're still gonna put lim h is approaching 0, because for as long as it has not approached 0, we will still write lim as x approaches 0. Okay, great stuff. All right, so now let's have a look at here. We're gonna have 3. We're gonna have to expand this one. This x squared here is means double bracket plus 4x plus h minus 3x squared. We're going to multiply by a negative here, then it's going to give us negative 4x. Therefore, all over h. All right, great stuff. So now let's come here and say lim when h approaches 0, because it has not approached 0 yet. When we remove the bracket here, we are going to have, if we do binomial, I'm sure you guys know this by now because you're in grade 12, x squared is going to give us 2x h plus h squared, close bracket. Here you're going to have 4x plus 4h minus 3x squared plus 4x. All right, great stuff. Make sure that this is visible for you guys. Therefore, you're gonna divide by h here. Okay, therefore you come here and say lim when h is approaching 0. Okay, when h is approaching 0, then you're gonna multiply out by 3. You're gonna have 3x squared. You're gonna have plus 6x h here. You're gonna have plus 3. Then you're gonna have h squared plus 4x plus 4h minus. Okay, here I made a mistake here, guys. Very, very, very easy for one to make a mistake. Here we multiplied by a negative. Therefore, this is 3x squared minus 4. This is supposed to be minus 4x. Please correct it. Divided by h. Okay. So now in this case, let's have a look. What do we have? We check for like terms. I've got 3x squared here. It will cancel out with negative 3x squared there. Okay. And then I've got here, we've got positive 4x. Here we've got negative 4x. It's going to cancel out. And then what do we have here? Let's have a look at. We don't have like terms anymore. All right. Okay, we don't have like terms anymore. So now let's continue with writing this. Okay, now I'm going to come to this side since I've run out of space. Let's say it's going to be equals to lim, whereas h approaches 0. What is left here? You are left with 6x h plus 3h squared plus 4h. Okay, all over h. Okay, I've got h here, I've got h there, I've got h squared there, we've got h here, and also got h here. So now we can definitely take out h as a common factor. In this case, we're going to take out h as a common factor. Here here at 6h, we're going to be left with 6x, and then here we're going to have plus 3, we remove one h, we're going to be left with h. Therefore, oh, no, this is not correct. Let me remove that. And then here, for h, we remove h, we're going to be left with plus 4. Okay, then close bracket all over h. H and h would cancel out, and therefore, when it comes here, think, well, fine now, h can now approach 0. We're going to be having 6x plus 3. Where there's h, we put 0 because now it's approach 0 plus 4. Therefore, our answer is going to be 6x plus 4. And guys, that's how you would deal with this one. If you've got any questions, please leave them on the comment section below. I am Gaston Mapala. Very, very interesting question indeed, and I'm so happy that we managed to get to the end of it. It means even in the exam, we'll be able to do what we're doing now. Practice makes perfect. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I am Gaston Mapala. See you on the next upload.